In today's video, we are going to use this yarn as I teach you how to make a double crochet. From the slip knots, we make the chain. That's the chain that we made. From there, I taught you guys how to make a single crochet. And to make a single crochet, you're just going in, pulling over and pulling through two. But a double crochet, you yarn over, then enter inside there, pull through, pull the first two, and then pull through the last two. Again, guys, yeah, yarn over, pull through two, and then you pull through two. Wow. Again, yarn over, put it in the next V, pull through two, pull through the last two. Again, yarn over, put through the V, pull through the second one. Again, guys, pull through the first two, pull the second through. Again, guys, yarn over, enter in the next chain, you pull through two, and that's a double crochet, guys, right there. See you in the next video, guys. Kiki Bespoke Crafts across all social media platforms, and Kiki Queen of Crochets on YouTube.
Yeah.
And my phone number is 0742 158 131. They can always call or WhatsApp.